How to fix the Samsung TV by 3 simple easy steps. Samsung TV doesn't work. I have a Comcast cable, so let's start the same remote that I always use. I press the power button but doesn't turn on. Okay, next I'm gonna try with the Samsung remote control. I'm pressing a power button on the Samsung remote control and it still doesn't work. So if you have the same issue, don't panic and don't send this TV for the repair. They will cost you a lot of money. But I'm gonna show you 3 simple easy steps. Step number 1, change the battery. So first open the remote control case on the back side and replace these 2 batteries with the brand new batteries. Don't put only one, you need to have both sets. So change both batteries. I have a good battery, so I didn't need to change it. I just wanted to show you that you need to change these 2 batteries in. So make sure those batteries is good and try it again, see if if it works or not. Step number 2, unplug the power cord from the wall and then wait 10 seconds. Step 3, plug that power cord back in and then press the power button on the remote control. La la la, that's it. It's done. Good luck.